Today at Jessica's Kitchen, we are going to be making chicken giardino. As you can see, my chicken giardino pasta is so good. It's full of vegetables, very healthy, very affordable. Stick around. We're gonna be cooking today at Jessica's Kitchen chicken giardino. Subscribe yet to our channel. You can definitely subscribe right here on the bottom and give us a like. Share these videos. These videos are made for you. So thank you so much for watching Jessica's in Wisconsin, Jessica's Kitchen. So the ingredients for my chicken giardino is going to be a little bit of cauliflower. It's going to be asparagus. It's going to be a little bit of rosemary and thyme. It's going to be also 1 squash, 2 tomatoes. You can see the cauliflower. We're going to be using 1 lime. As you can see, today I will be using a little bit of farfalle pasta, which in English stands for like bow tie. 6 cloves. I'll be using 1 red bell pepper. I'll be using also a little bit of carrots, spinach, and also I will be using white wine. I will be using a little bit of butter, milk, chicken base, and also mixed veggies. Just to give a heads up, these are going to be the ingredients for my chicken giardino. Obviously, it is obvious. You need to wash all your vegetables. As you can see, I already chopped my bell pepper, asparagus, spinach, carrots, zucchini, cauliflower, tomato. I got my lime is already diced. We're gonna use a little bit of milk, just like 1 spoon, 1 cup of chicken, just like I said. And here we are, going to the third step to make our chicken giardino. First thing that we need to do, we need to get some butter in your pan. Everything is going to be cooked at a small heat, just to give a heads up. Number 2, we are going to be putting a little bit of garlic. As you can see, my garlic is already chopped. At this point, my tomato is obviously browning with the garlic. It smells already really good. As you can see on the side, I already got my water for my pasta, and that's going to be once my veggies are ready. The pasta is going to be probably al dente. Rosemary. Okay folks, so as you can see, I added the chicken. I added like 2 spoons of milk to my chicken giardino sauce. And now I will be doing the lemon, or the lime, I should say. Folks, as you can see, my sauce is already kind of like steaming. At this point, I can definitely add one of the baggy mixed veggies. In this case, I will be using Yellowtail Chardonnay. It's one of my favorites. For me personally, I think it's going to bring a lot of flavor to my chicken giardino. And it's going to be 1 cup of white wine. Okay, folks, so it has been about 10 to 15 minutes. It's time for me to check my veggies to see how they are. And as you can see, they're boiling, which is really good. And it smells so good. I really hope that you guys get to make this recipe. It is healthy. It is affordable. And it's also very healthy and tasty for your family. So at this point, I got my chicken on the side. Some people like to brown the chicken. Some people like to boil the chicken. I don't like it boiled myself. I got some roasted seared chicken. So this is what I'm gonna be using today, folks, just to give a heads up, okay? Hey folks, so our recipe is finally ready. As you can see, all of the veggies, all of the pasta, I mean, it smells absolutely good. I hope you guys like this recipe. This is called chicken giardino. You can add a little bit of Parmesan cheese or mozzarella, whatever you think is gonna be good for your flavor. In my case, I added a little bit of Parmesan cheese. And this pasta, oh my, it is absolutely good. It has all of the flavors, very well simmered. Your pasta chicken giardino, it is absolutely good. I hope you guys like this recipe. Remember, if you like our channel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel right here on the bottom. Give us a like and share the videos. We'll see you next time.